Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are delving into how to create a sales funnel on Shopify. Designing an effective sales funnel on Shopify involves optimizing various touch points such as landing pages, product pages, checkout processes, and post-purchase follow-ups to boost conversion. In this video, I will specifically guide you through creating a landing page. To get started, open your Shopify admin page and click on Apps. Navigate to all recommended apps and access the Shopify App Store. Search for Pagefly. And install the application on your Shopify store. Once installed, let's begin customizing it. Head to the page section and click on Create from Template. From the drop-down menu, choose Regular. Various customizable templates will appear. To find the perfect landing page template, go to the Type section and select Landing Page. Browse through the options and select the templates the best suit you need. Now, let's start customizing the template. Begin by changing the banner of our page and remove any unnecessary information. Once you're satisfied with the overall look, name your landing page and obtain a URL for it. Next, let's add a section to display our products. Click on the plus button and select the template for the new section. Choose the layout that fits your preferences. To add products to this section, navigate to the right sections of the screen. Click on Product Sources and select All. Your product will automatically link to the page. After linking the products, scroll down and insert sections such as Why Choose Us and Customer Reviews. Additionally, include sections for discounts and social media links where you advertise your products. Once you have finished adding all necessary information, click Save and publish the page. As you can see, our landing page is now saved and published. Let's review the changes. By following these steps, you can create a compelling landing page to drive conversations and build an effective sales funnel on Shopify. Thank you for watching.